Wrike complete review. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly sign up for Wrike in just a few minutes and start using it. So firstly, come on to Wrike.com. After that, from over here, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So now from over here, click on Start for Free or click on Try for Free and simply put in your email. Now, once you guys put in your email, you guys are going to sign up. And after that, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So once you guys have signed up, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So now from over here on the right side, you guys have all your main tools. You guys have the option to see your calendar, your timesheets, your dashboard, reports, workload, stream of content, and also all the tasks that you just made, and also your to-do list tasks. So those are all the features of Wrike that you see on your first glance. And then in front of you, you also have the spaces. So as many spaces as you create, you can see all of those here. And to simply access, click on any one of these spaces, and that's going to take you more in detail of that particular space. So over here, as you guys can see that you have your space details come up, and you guys can simply create tasks over here by clicking on any task or by simply clicking on item, and you guys can simply create a brand new task. So when you click on an already existing task, well, on the right side, you guys see all these options come up. You can tag people, you can also change the name, you can attach files, you can add subtasks, and you can also set a due date as well. So all in all, this is very, very efficient, and this really helps you keep track of everything. You guys can tag as many people as you want, and you guys can keep track of all of that. On the top left, you guys also have the option to go to all of these options quickly, and that is how easy it is to use Wrike. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was a brief review. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.